This tutorial for the Kitronik LAB bit shows how you build a simple program in plain English with Insight Mr. Bit. The aim of the program is to find out if an object conducts electricity by connecting it to the switch input. The microbit LEDs will show a smile when a good conductor is connected, otherwise it shows a cross. We start in design mode by selecting the switch input from the inputs gallery and the microbit LEDs from the outputs gallery. Then we need a control module for the program. The program script appears in this panel. We build the program by making links. First, drag a link from the When tab to the switch input and choose the Is Closed condition. A good conductor forms a closed switch. Now drag a link from the Outputs tab to the LEDs. Make a smile image and give it a name. Finally, drag a link from When to Until. This will stop the image showing when the condition no longer applies. Now we need another instruction to show a cross for no connection or a non-conductor. Add an instruction, link the When tab to the switch again, but this time set the condition to Is Open. Link the Outputs tab to the LEDs and draw the cross image. Link Until to When as before. The program script is now complete and we can test how it works in run mode. The system view shows inputs and outputs in blocks, and it works as before. Finally, we can send the program to the microbit.